Hi crafty folks, Amy here, and I have a super quick little haul video today. I placed my first order recently with a company called LDRS, and I was elated to learn that they're actually a Michigan company, so that's fun because that's where I'm located. But I did also realize, I think rather recently, that they are also carrying LDRS products on scrapbook.com. So I will link the products that I'm going to show you today in the video description box below. So if you expand that area and scroll down, then you'll find those details. And please hit the thumbs up because that really does help YouTube to promote my video and share it with other people. So let's jump right in. This nice little stack of products that I received. Now, the idea behind these, first of all, is you've got one stamp and one die. So you guys know I love sentiment strips. I like to keep it simple. I like to do a lot with my stencils. So I am always in the market for things like this that will not only help me save time, but will allow me to have a lot of stuff ready to go. So a lot of them that I'm showing you today are this sort of product. So this is the sentiment stack coordinating die, and you can see this is about 4 by 4. So it's relatively small, but these little squares line up with the squares on the stamp. So you basically stamp it once, die cut it once, and then you're good to go. So I will probably do another video demoing these once I jump in and play with them, but I just wanted to show you the products first. So again, this is called Sentiment Stack Coordinating Die. Now this die will work with all of the sentiment stamps that I got to go with it. So this is the Thanks in a Million sentiment stamp. It says, "You're such a special part of my life. You're appreciated. You made my day." You can see all these other awesome sentiments, and they line up perfectly with this die. Okay, so there's that one. And then I got the Happy Me, Happy You stack. You can see what some of these sentiments say. Wishing you blue skies and sunshine. Happy me, happy you, happy us. So these would be great for if you do like a card drive or a donation or something like that. I used to make a lot of cards, especially during lockdown, during COVID. I would donate a lot to like assisted living homes and things like that. So this sort of card would be, or this sort of sentiment would be great for that type of card. Then we have the Happy Birthday stack. You can see this is smaller font, but belated birthday wishes. It's always nice to have one of those. Sending birthday hugs and wishes, wishing you a big slice of happiness. So that'd be cute with like a cake stencil or stamp or something like that. So this is the Happy Birthday stack. And then we have Friends. So friends don't let you do stupid things alone. You're flipping amazeballs. I love that one. That's probably my favorite right there. You're seriously way too cool. You're my sidekick for life. You're not normal and I love it. That one's awesome. Crafty friends are the best friends. Hang in there, friend. So lots of good ones there for encouragement for your people. This one, encouragement stack. Thank you for everything you've done. You're a true hero. Brighter days are coming. Well, that's a good one. Always look for the sunny side. Stay strong. You make the world better. So even though these are a little bit smaller in size, they would make really good sub-sentiments. So if you've seen my videos, you know I use a lot of big, like, chunky die cuts. So you could do, you know, like hugs, and then maybe one of these as like a sub-sentiment popped up with a little piece of, you know, foam strip or something like that. So lots of options. And what's cool, I personally like the fishtail manner, but I like them also because then you can just cut them straight if you just want them like a little rectangle strip. So this gives you the nice uniform fishtail, but then you can just cut them down shorter if you want that. So I personally like that. Okay, and then I have this Get Well stack. So this, sorry you're feeling under the weather, rest, relax, recover. I find like I don't have a lot of, you know, you have the traditional get well and stuff like that, but I feel like I don't have a lot that are just kind of like, you know, you feel cruddy, rest, you know, that kind of stuff. So I feel like these are really good. Wishing you a quick recovery, feet up and let everyone else do the work. I mean, these are really good sentiments. And then finally, this is not one that goes with the die, but I think it was on clearance and it's super cute. I love this. I have a very happy birthday. This would be just a nice simple stamp on a, you know, single layer stenciled card. So, you know, that's my jam. So this is my haul. Like I said, I will link everything in the video description box below. So just expand and scroll down and check out this small company. Super fun. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.